Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not working on your Windows 11 laptop. Sometimes people face the issues of their Wi-Fi not working. In this situation, how they can fix these issues? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So first you have to go to settings. Here you have to click on the network and internet. Then you have to go to Wi-Fi. Here you have to turn off the Wi-Fi. Then again you have to turn on. Then you have to go back. Then you have to check the airplane mode is enabled or disabled. So you have to go to airplane mode, by default off. If you turn on this, you can check this, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth automatically turn off. So you have to turn off the airplane mode, so you have to check this section. So then you have to go to advanced network settings. Here you have to click on the network reset. Here you have to click on the reset now. So once reset now, your computer will be reboot and reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter. Then your problem will be solved. So in this way you can fix the Wi-Fi not working on your Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.